Welcome. Today we are jumping headfirst into the lightning-fast, high-stakes world of day trading. It's a world that dangles this incredible promise of financial freedom, but it's also one where the risk is just massive. Our goal here is to cut right through all the hype and give you the real, foundational knowledge you need to understand what it actually takes to succeed. So let's just start with the single most important question you could possibly ask yourself. Are you prepared to lose every single dollar you invest? Now, I'm not saying that to scare you. It's just the fundamental reality of this business. If you don't have the right mindset and the right preparation, day trading isn't just risky. It's pretty much a guaranteed path to a $0 account. So, welcome to another video on investment basics. The entire framework for our talk today is built on the expertise of Mr. Majid Butt. His really unique background as an accountant, a software programmer, and an investment researcher gives us this incredibly solid foundation for everything we're about to get into. All right, here's our game plan for today. First, we'll talk about the big dream versus the harsh reality, the allure and the alarm. Then, we'll get into your basic toolkit. After that, and this is crucial, we'll break down exactly why 90% of traders fail. From there, we'll decode the rules of the game, define what a winning mindset really looks like, and finally, show you where you can go for more in-depth analysis. Let's get started. Okay, Section 1, the allure and the alarm. This is where we really tackle that huge, massive gap between the dream of day trading that you see online and the cold, hard reality that smacks most beginners right in the face. You know the dream, right? It's so powerful, making a full-time living in just a few hours a day from a laptop anywhere in the world. But the reality? Well, it's often a pretty harsh wake-up call. Without the right knowledge, it is an unbelievably risky game, and the statistics are crystal clear. The odds are completely stacked against you. Rushing the process pretty much guarantees that your emotions will take over, and that is a direct path to failure. And that brings us to this big, sobering number, 90%. That is the percentage of people who try day trading and end up failing. But wait, don't let that number make you quit before you even start. Here's the key insight, the thing you have to understand. Failure is a choice. It doesn't happen because the market is rigged or because you're not smart enough. It happens because most people start out with a mindset that basically guarantees they're going to lose. So, Section 2, your trading toolkit. Now that we've set the stage and understand the risks, let's break down the mechanics of getting started. And you might be surprised at how simple it actually is. You don't need some special license or a degree in finance to trade stocks. The requirements are actually super straightforward. A computer, a good internet connection, a few hours a day where you won't be distracted, some money to invest, and an account with an online broker. That's it. The barrier to entry, logistically speaking, is incredibly low. And the process itself couldn't be simpler. You fill out an application, you deposit some money, you download their software, and from that moment on, you are in complete control. You type in a stock symbol, say AAPL for Apple, choose how many shares, and you click buy or sell. There's no middleman. So, getting set up is easy. Being successful, well, that's a completely different story. And that brings us to Section 3, why 90% of traders fail. This is really the heart of the matter. Because success isn't about having the fanciest tools or the fastest software. It's all about your psychology and your preparation. I want you to let this quote sink in. I promise you, you will lose all your money if you don't get the education and experience first. This is the most critical warning for anyone who wants to become a trader. The number one reason for failure is simple. People jump in with real money, they try to learn as they go, and they completely drain their account before they ever get the skills they need. Think of it like this. Your education is the concrete slab foundation for a house. If you don't have that solid base, anything you try to build on top of it is just going to be unstable, and eventually it's going to collapse. It's that simple. You cannot build a successful trading career on a weak foundation. Period. This really shows the two paths you can take. You've got the sprinter who wants results right now. They rush in with real money, try to figure it out on the fly, and you guessed it, they lose everything and quit. But then you have the marathon runner. They embrace the process. They invest time learning, they practice in a risk-free simulator, and they patiently build up the experience and mindset they need for long-term success. Rushing is a one-way ticket to failure. Okay, Section 4, decoding day trading. So if you're committed to being a marathon runner, then these are the core rules and concepts that you absolutely positively have to understand. So what exactly is day trading? Well, it's the practice of buying and selling stocks all within the same day. Unlike long-term investing, the goal isn't to own a piece of a company.
Nope. The goal is to make money off of short-term momentum from small swings in the price, and you always close out your positions before the market shuts down for the day.
Now for some key terms you're going to hear all the time. Going long is easy. You buy a stock, hoping the price goes up. Shorting is the opposite. It's a way to actually profit when a stock's price goes down. You borrow shares, sell them, and then buy them back later at a lower price. And the market's direction? We describe it with two animals. Bulls thrust their horns up, which signals a bullish or rising market, and bears swipe their claws down for a bearish or falling market.
Timing is everything. The absolute best time to day trade is the first 2 hours the market is open, from 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Why? Because that's when you get a flood of activity from overnight news and big institutions placing orders. This creates the highest volatility and liquidity, which means the best opportunities. After that, the market often gets quiet, making trading much harder.
Now, for U.S. residents, there's a really critical rule called the Pattern Day Trader, or PDT rule. Here's the deal. If your account has less than $25,000, you are limited to only 3 day trades in any 5 business day period. If you do more, your account gets restricted. But if you have over $25,000, you can make unlimited day trades. This rule is really there to protect new traders by forcing those with smaller accounts to be super patient and very selective about their trades.
And that brings us to Section 5, the winning mindset. This is where we pull it all together. It's all about reprogramming your brain to think like that 10% who succeed, not the 90% who fail.
You see, our brains are basically hardwired to be terrible at trading. It's true, we naturally focus on how much we could win, while totally ignoring the risk. We try to predict the future, which is literally impossible. And we let these powerful emotions like greed and fear drive our decisions. These 3 natural tendencies are the root cause of almost all trading failures.
This right here is the ultimate takeaway. You have to accept, deep down, that you are 100% responsible for your results. It is not the market's fault if you lose money. Success comes from controlling your own actions, your own discipline, and your own mindset. The market is just the playing field. You are the one in control of how you play the game.
So what's the right path? What's the plan? It follows these 4 steps. Step 1, get the education. Build that concrete foundation first. Step 2, practice for months in a risk-free simulator until you can prove you're consistent. Step 3, use all that practice time to master your strategy and build rock-solid discipline. And finally, only after you're consistently profitable in the simulator, you can start small with a live account to learn how to handle the emotional pressure of having real money on the line.
And that brings us to Section 6, Access Exclusive Analysis. We've covered the foundations, which is huge, but true mastery is a journey, not a destination. So for those of you who are ready to keep learning, let's talk about the next step.
Look, what we've covered today is a foundational look at what it takes to start on the right path. For a much deeper understanding, you can subscribe to my membership to access exclusive videos on the analysis of financial statements of public companies listed on stock exchanges all around the world, videos that are not available to anyone else. This analysis is designed to build directly on these fundamentals. So the key question to leave you with is this. Now that you know the path, are you really willing to commit to the marathon?